Wagwan everybody, Nikita here, and today I will be going to brunch at Blue Ridge Cafe in the hills of St. Andrew, and I'll be taking you guys along with me. First things first, welcome my short hair. I did a video on this haircut and it is on my channel, so definitely check out that video. Next I see you will be at Blue Ridge Cafe. Birthday girl, happy birthday Melissa. Thank you. That's what God is doing today. Another best life. It's the chicken and plantain quesadilla, and it's really good. The sauce is lovely as well. So I ordered the appetizer. I ordered the fried plantain sliders. I ordered crushed green bananas, and this is the sauce that comes with the chicken.
This callaloo stuffed chicken with cheese and French fries.
What did you get, Adam?
Barbecue chicken with bacon and banana.
Yeah, the banana mash looks interesting. So we're gonna have that, and I had a sangria. You always use the mashed banana? So you used to chef it up, Andre?
Used to?
Still I chef it up. still at Blue Ridge Cafe. So for our meal, I had the quesadillas. I had chicken and plantains. It's probably the best quesadillas I've ever had, as well as I had some sliders and a sangria. The food, it is a drive. Feel like it was probably a 45-minute drive from Papine here, and the roads are quite windy. I do commend Blue Ridge though. As you get closer to the restaurants, I guess they would have paved that road, but it is a drive. It's not close, but the view. So this is what people travel this far for. It's very open concept, kind of a terrace cafe kind of vibe. I'm glad we came. I'm having a really good time. The food is amazing, as I said. Just highly recommend the quesadillas. They were awesome. They were probably the best quesadillas I've ever had. So I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. Adam, Air, what are you talking about?
I think you're random.
Because your hair is long.
Oh.
She just be. Oh, no, stop. Okay. Then make your co-worker understand.
My hair is not back around.
No, but that's not what is being said.
Oh.
Don't go on Melissa's tangent here, Andre. Everybody, please don't. I don't eat the cake.
I mean, cook with some yeah.
Hi again, everyone. So still at Blue Ridge Cafe. We have finished our meal. The meal was awesome. I strongly recommend the chicken and plantain quesadillas. It was amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. By the time this video is up, I would have already done the video on my haircut, so definitely go ahead and watch it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Walk good. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Walk good.